After 2 years with the Phoenix Honda Racing Team, the Ducati money has come a-knockin', and Dylan Ferrandis' time with the team is done. With David Eller, the Phoenix Racing owner, saying, quote, "Having Dylan as part of the Phoenix Racing family has been a privilege. He brought a level of intensity and focus that elevated everyone around him. We're thankful for the time, energy, and heart he put into our program, and we wish him nothing but success. I would also like to thank Rick Zellfeder. Sorry if I'm butchering that last name, because that's what I do. With Factory Connection. Without Ziggy's support of Dylan, this chapter of Phoenix Racing would have never happened." Now, correct me if I'm wrong. I believe that is the overall rumor going around that he is going to be racing for the TLD, Ducati, whatever else, Monster, whatever their sponsors are going to be, the Ducati team coming up next year. Obviously, this is coming from the last 2 seasons with Phoenix Honda Racing. Before that, he was with the Monster Energy Yamaha Racing Team. In the 2 years with the Phoenix Racing Team, he finished 36 times in the top 10. That's about it. 5th overall in Anaheim 1 in 2024, and that's it. 47 races, 36 top 10 finishes. Not exactly horrible, not exactly great. Obviously he's a 2021. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think that's right. It sounds right. He won the Pro Motocross Championship, so he's not exactly a bottom of the barrel guy. So for Ducati, this could be a good signing, at least a solid start. Top 10 guy, possible podium guy depending on the night. Not exactly the worst overall beginning for them. And also, isn't Justin Barcia too? Again, correct me if I'm wrong there. I think it's Justin Barcia and him that are going to be joining that team. Now, a quote from Ferrandis saying, "It was a great 2 seasons with Phoenix Racing Honda. It's been a pleasure to work with everyone here. I'm really grateful for the effort and the opportunity they gave to me. The best memories are always from the best results, but our first race together in 2024 will always be a highlight for me. What we accomplished in such a short time that night was quite special." So, who knows? Obviously, TLD Ducati is going to be a big money team. Full factory support, and with how much they win everywhere else. If you're on a 2-wheel Ducati, you're probably winning. WSBK, Moto America, MXGP, probably when they go over there. Already have national titles. MotoGP, definitely, they're incredible. So I think as soon as they come over here, they're going to be just throwing money at this program to make it as successful as possible. And probably not a bad start with Ferrandis and Barcia. But, so I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. How well does he do? Good move for him. Good move for the team. Whatever it is. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really helps me out. And I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.